I'm back. I'm Balachandra, son of Gunasegaran. Today, my team and me are going to present a PBT presentation about the object-oriented programming. The teammates are, it's me, Balachandra, son of Gunasegaran. Then Deepan Analaki Sivasamy. Third one, Satish Analaki Murkesan. The fourth one, Darwin Raj Analaki Arulvelan. Okay, and then I'm going to start the PBT description first. In this problem-based task, a task assignment, we are given a task where we have to build a Java program and online order system for a fast food restaurant. The fast food restaurant also said to be provide order delivery with 10% charges to the customer. Okay, and then the development of the process of the system also instructed us to apply some concepts in Java below. Okay, what is that? Variables and operators, input and output stream, branching statements, arrays, class and object concepts, inheritance, and then the last one is exception handling mechanism. Okay, and then the program overview. What is the program overview? Our program overview is first is login, second menu, food and drink, third one order form, select food and drinks, also the quantities. Fourth, selection and dine-in or delivery. Fifth, respective payment methods depends on dine-in or delivery selections. Sixth, display ordering bill accordingly.
I introduce about myself. My name is Tiban Lagi Susami. I'm going to explain about user login class. Okay, import java.util.scanner. Okay, class login. Okay, public static voice user login. You're going to initialize username and password. Okay, this is string username. String username is wonday11@gmail.com. Okay, string password equals user1234. We have to create the variable string password and string username. Okay, in this we have to use the boolean to know the true and false, because the system we have to know the true and false to identify this coding. Okay, boolean. Okay, wrong input equals true. Okay, scanner input equals to new scanner system.in. Okay. Okay, system.out.print in, this is the coding, and this is the username, the our restaurant name. Welcome to Wonder Fast Food Restaurant. Okay, user login section. Okay, for int attempts equal to 2, attempts equal to 0, wrong input attempts equal. Okay, in the system we will give 3 attempts to login. 3 attempts like 2, 1 and 0. Okay, we will give like that. Okay, we have to please enter the username and password. Okay, in the first try the username and password is false, it means wrong. It will show sorry, wrong username or password have entered, kindly try again. It means they have clicked the username and password wrongly, so they will decrease the attempt of the login, so they will have two chances to login. Okay, after they type username equals to username and password equals to password. Okay, if they enter the correct password and username, it will show you have successfully logged. Okay, in the attempts will system will do a loop to know the uh, username and password correct. Okay, if okay, if they try 3 times and the attempt will show 0, there are no more attempts to do. It will show system.out.println try again in 1 second. It means hold on for 10 seconds. After that, that will reset the username and password time. So we will try 3 times again, like 2 1 0. Okay, then we will show uh, like this. We have 3 attempts after the 10 milliseconds. Okay, public static void hold try thread sleep 1000. Okay, the thread, okay, the hold and thread will hold for millisecond to refresh back. Okay, um, okay, this got wrong input equals to false. If they have typed uh, wrong input, they will change to false. Then the system will uh, show this. The system will break. If the wrong input false, then they will the in attempts to attempt 0, the wrong input also false, the system will break. Mm, okay, that's all for now. Thank you.
Baik, selamat sejahtera puan. So next I'll be continuing. So I'll be explaining our coding for choosing the drink and the food menu. So I'll start with the main coding, which is class order system. In this class order system, we have used single inheritance, which will be menu. So public static void order system print out a blank space, and then it will print out menu order system wonder food menu, wonder drinks menu, and then it will print out a blank space again. So next we'll go to the class menu. Class menu extends from class order, so this is where we have used single inheritance. So right now we can see in this line over here, in this 3 line over here, we have actually initialized and declared 3 variables, which will be food total, drink total, and total. So next we'll be using the super dot order, which will be the calling function to call the order class. Integer food choice, comma food quantity. So this is where we have used we can see 2 methods, which will be food choice and food quantity, which is both of these things. So over here we can see we have actually initialized the price of the food. So now going down, for this coding we have used 2-dimensional array, which will be which consists of row and columns. So the system will print out wonder food menu, and then it will print out this line, and then going down here string, we can see these 2 space and then the food, which we declared array as food, and it has 3 metrics, which will be the row and the column. So this is the row, and this is the column. So both 3 metrics will contain the food that is available in our shop and the price of it. So next we have used do looping. So the first one will be integer number, and second one, this line is where we can see we have used this to take the input from the user as the row for our two-dimensional array, and then the second line will be this one, where we will use it to check the column which the food consists of. So next, going down, we'll be going down to the food order form over here. So the food order form, the first thing, it will print out food order form, and then going down we have used for loop. I will explain this later on, so it will be easy for us to understand. So next, the first thing it will do is it will print out this line, which will be, please enter your food menu orders number. So and then in the next line, food choice, which is the which will take in the user's input. We have used integer number to choose to choose the number of the food, and then it will print it out. We have, as a control statement, we have used if statement. So over here we can see, if food choice is equals to 1, then the system will print out your food ordered plus food order 0 0. So we all know that array will always start with 0. So 0 0. So if we go up here and we see, so 0 0 will be over here, which is the burger RM 4 ringgit for 50 cents. So coming down again, the next line will be system printout, please enter the quantity of the food order you want to have. So in this line, the next line, the user will have to put in will have to input a number, which will be the quantity of the food they wanted, which was the burger. So for the last one, the system will print out you have ordered food quantity plus food 0 0. So in this line we can see that food total plus the F price 1 plus the food quantity. So if we carefully look over here, it has the line where it says food total. So why does that line actually occurs? So here's why. Food total is occurs because maybe if we have already chose another or we have already chose food, and we are actually adding on another food. So right now, the value of the first food we ordered will be placed in this line where food total, and then the current food that we ordered will be placed in F price 1, and the current food quantity will be placed in here. So the list goes on for the other food choices, which is number 2, number 3, which will be number 2, number 3, number 4, 5 till number 9, if I'm not wrong. Yes, number 9. So the last line over here, which we will be seeing, system printout line, do you want to continue with another order? So if we press no, N, which stands for no, the system will come out and our order is finished. If we press yes, which is Y, then the system will loop back to the place where we saw for string A equals to Y, for this line. So the system will loop again from the start, where it will ask you to enter the food menu's order number, and the cycles will continue until we input the menu, input the alphabet N, which is no. So the next one will be we'll be using the drink menu. Here, this is where the coding starts for the drink menu we have in our shop. So we can see here we have two variables, which is drink choice and drink quantity, and in this coding right here, we can see that we have initialized and declared the variable for each drinks. So just as for the food order menu, we have used two-dimensional array again. So the first thing it will print out is wonder order menu, and then we can go to the drink. We can go to the drink class, which contains three metrics again, which will be here, the row and the column. So we can see that the row, all three metrics contains the list of drinks that we have in our shop. So just as now, the first line of this coding will check the row of the food, and then the second coding will check the column of the food. So going down to the drink order form, we have again used the for loop. So I will explain this coding just now. So the first thing we will see is it will print out this line asking us to enter the drink number. So the next line, it will take the input from the user, and it will print out the line, you have ordered drink 00, which will be we'll go to C right here. No, actually over here, sorry, point. So over here we can see the first one will be fruit smoothie, RM4 represents. So we have choose to drink fruit smoothie for this explanation. Okay, so the next one, it will print out system printout. Please enter the quantity of the food ordered. So we will give the input of the quantity needed. So it will input the number of drinks we need, and then it will print out this line which says system printout line, you have ordered drink quantity plus drink the number of drink. So the next line, obviously it will be doing drink total, which if we have made another choice, it will add in to the current drink, which was the smoothie just now. So it will total up all the prices. So the coding goes on for the choice number 2, choice number 3, and till choice number 9 over here point. So right now we will go to the output, for the last coding. So we'll go to system dot print out. Do you want to continue, yes or no? So if we press no, the order will be finished. If we press yes, again we will go up here and we will loop over here to this part, and the process will start all over again, where the system will print out, please enter your drink menu orders number, and we can choose other food drinks as we want. So going down again, is the I'll briefly explaining the payment method over here. So we can see the integer payment method, and for the first one we will be selecting, please select whether dine in or delivery. So for dine in, we will have to input number 1, and for food delivery we'll have to input number 2. So over here system printout enter option, and the next line will be taking input from the user, and then my next friend will be explaining point. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Satish Murugesan. Now I'm going to cover on uses like dining or delivery, and order payment method, and finally display the ordering bills. So guys, you can see here we are using the integer type and integer payment method. These two integer has been declared in this coding. So the first output will be please select whether dine in or delivery, and the next output will be the two options for the users, which is first dine in and the second is food delivery, and the next option will be enter option. So you can see here we are using the if statement over here. So if users type 1, the output will be dine in, and we also use looping, and we also created object which called scanned pay, and the output will be payment method. And the next output will be the two options for this payment method, which is first option is pay in cash and the second option is pay via card. And the next output will be please choose payment method 1 or 2. And we also use the if statement over here. If user select payment method 1, the output will the system will print out as pay in cash. As if the user select payment method 2, the output will be pay via card. For else statement, if user select another other than the options given, the output will be invalid input. Please enter 1 or 2 to select, and the following output will be please choose payment method 1 or 2. So after the payment method was selected by user, the order bill will be processed. So for order bill will be calculated based on drink total plus and food total, and the output will be order bill. So the next output will be total amount of food ordered and the price of the food. So next output will be the total amount of drinks ordered. So the price of the drink over here. So next is the total amount of the order. So the total will be here. So we also use the break statement over here for terminate the looping. If users select type 2, the output will be food delivery. We also use looping and we also create object which called scanned pay, and the output will be payment method. In addition, we also add a keynote which will be the next output, that is please take note that 10% of charges will be applied for delivery service. And the next output will be the two options for this payment method. First option is cash on delivery and the second option will is online payment. And next option next output will be please choose payment method 1 or 2. So we also use the if statement here. If users select payment method 1, the output will be cash on delivery. As if the users select payment method 2, the system will print out as online payment. As the user is select other than the options given, the output will be invalid input. Please enter 1 or 2 to select, and following output will be please choose payment method 1 or 2. So after the payment method was selected by the user, the order bill will be processed. So for the order bill will be total up with drink total plus food total multiply with 10%, which is the delivery charges, and plus with drink total and food total, and the output will be order bill. So the next output will be total amount of food ordered. The price will price of the food will be here, and next output will be the total amount of the of drinks ordered, and the price of drink will be here, and next output will be delivery charges of 10% applied, and the final output will be the total amount of your order, and the total amount of the total price of your order will be here. So and we also use the break statement to terminate the looping. So that's all from me. Next my friend will be continue. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Balachandra. Come back again for I finish my last part. Okay, the last part is main method. Okay, now we are at the main method of our program. We named our main method is a wonder fast food. Now we can see the main method is shown a public static void main string basis hugs, and under that the first line of codes. Menu f1 equal by new menu equal bracket. Actually, so we have created object called f1 under the menu class. Now we have the create an object for menu class, which is f1. Then the next code which is login and user login.user login. This is for just call the user login method, which will show the login process. This step will ask you username and passwords. Okay, now we have the object that we are created under f1 to call food and drink method from menu class. We using the object we are created, which is f1, so we are going to call food and drinks functions and method using these f1 methods. System out print display the message like this: thank you for choosing us, your satisfaction is our utmost priority. Okay, now I'm going to execute our program and show the execution of program's codes. Okay, let's start. Now I'm going to open my CMD and then open. After that, full screen, zoom for easy to view, and then CD person sign, and then user profile, and then person sign, and then slash. After that, we just put a desktop. Okay, and then Java C file name wonder fast food dot java, and then press enter, and then Java file name wonder fast food, okay, and then we need to type Java space wonder fast food, all exact like your file you saved as your file. My file is wonder capital letter, fast capital letter, food capital letter. Okay, I just press enter, and then we get the display screen. Here show like welcome to Wonder Fast Food Restaurant, and then login fast food order booking system. Please enter username and password. Okay, I'm just type wrong username for display the functions. Okay, Raj 22 at gmail.com. okay, then press enter, and then I use my password, and then we get display sorry, wrong username or password I've entered, kindly try again. Okay, we get second chance. I've used the chance also. Okay, I just press wonder at gmail.com .com, and the password 1234. I just press wrong password and wrong username. It's looking like same display screen, wrong username or password entered, kindly try again. I want to try again later. Try again. Okay, my name Balachandra, 11@gmail.com, and then I just press enter. 1 2 3 4. Okay, okay, I just press 3 times wrong. Sorry, wrong username or password I've entered. Kindly try again. We try more than 3 attempts, so we need to wait 10 seconds. After that, we need to press correct email address, wonder11@gmail.com. Okay, wonder11@gmail.com. Then my password is user1234. Okay, you have successfully logged in. And then here, the menu order system. Here have food menu. Which one you want to order? I want French fries. Number 2, I want 2 quantities, and then sandwich. Okay, I want to continue. Do you want to continue with another order? Just press yes. Okay, and then I want to cheesy wedges. Okay, number 5, quantity 1. Okay, sorry, 1. Do you want to with another order? Okay, do you want with another order? I just say no, I don't want to order. And then here going to see the drinks menu. Okay, drinks menu. Here got the lot of order form, such as 9 orders here, 9 items. I'm just press for orange milkshake, number 5. Orange milkshake. I want 2 quantities, and then I want to continue. Press yes, and then I just press watermelon cooler RM5 ringgit. So I press number 9. I want 1 quantity, then press okay, then press no. Okay, that's it. And then if you want dine in or food delivery, I want to dine in. Firstly, I want to dine in. Okay, pay in cash. Okay, I just press pay in cash. Just press 1. Okay, now your bill will show. Total amount of food order 10 ringgit 20 cent. Total amount of drinks order 13 ringgit 40 cent. Total amount of your order 23 ringgit 60 cent. Lastly, show like. Thank you for choosing us. Your satisfaction is our utmost priority. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going to show the second one again, and then you just press CD user profile, and then percentage sign, and then slash, and then you need to press the desktop again, and then press enter, and then Java C space wonder fast food, and then .java. Okay, and then press enter again, and then press Java, your file name, wonder fast food. Okay, and then I press okay. Then I want to put my email address, wonder11@gmail.com. okay, and then password is user 1234. Then press enter. If you I want to full screen. Okay, if your order, I just order Pizza number 9. Here show your food menu. I just press enter, and then I want one quantity. Okay, I just press no, and then please enter your drink orders number. Okay, I want order milkshake number 4. Just press number 4, enter. I want 2 quantities, and then I want to close my order. No. Okay, and then here ask food delivery, please select whether dine-in or delivery. Okay, I just press food delivery number 2. Okay, here please method, please take note that 10% of the charge will be applied for delivery service. You need to know that if you are delivery charges are 10%. Okay, cash on delivery or online payment, I just press number 2. Okay, sorry, I going to here. Okay, I just press number 2. Okay, that is a press number 2, and then I press enter again, and then here show our bill. The total amount of food order 5 ringgit. The amount of drinks, total amount of drinks order 10 ringgit 80 cents. Okay, and then delivery charges 10% applied. It's automatic applied your balance. So after total amount of your order is 70 ringgit 38 cent. Okay, that's it. Okay, lastly show thank you for choosing us. Your satisfaction is our utmost priority. Okay, thank you. That is from me. Hope you all understand what I today teach you all. Thank you.